ben Josie en ik wil mijn haar laten knippen.
En je wil ook een kleurtje erin?
Een kleurtje, lichtroze en dit mag eraf.
Ja, side shave.
Ja.
Will you turn for you and the rest of the world to show how your hair is now? Dankjewel, thank you very much. Hello friends on YouTube. Gonna do her hair. It's the first time she wants me. So I don't want to change the color of her hair that she has now. She wants soft pink lined color. First thought I bleached the hair, but I don't like the condition of the hair to bleach. So that's why I go coloring on the conditioner base. Use the new colors of Glint. Of course, start with putting on the protection for coloring. And my own protection. Give her a kick. And my world famous plastic foil. First I wet the hair a little bit, not too much. And this is the color we put in. It's from Glint Colors and it's conditioner. The structure for hair is a very fine structure. So we take care of the condition of the hair. Turn a bit so you can see what I'm going to do. Applying just the conditioner on color base. Show the product in the video. You don't have to do anything with this color, just bring it on. And will certainly make the condition of the hair a lot better. Going through the hair. Tickling line on and so I do all her hair.
De beste dagen toen er zo precies uitkomt.
Yeah, absolutely. Now I've got all the conditioner on her hair. Leave this for one or two hairs that left behind. You don't see them in the hairstyle, of course, but let me give them a color. This is a pure conditioner. This leave for about 20 minutes, then rinse it out. Then I'm going to cut her hair. Ja, lekker hè? Dat goed in om te Okay, we're back from coloring. Rinsed out the conditioner, color-based product. I show you the tube we used. Now I'm gonna cut her hair with a TC1 haircut. First part over the center line. Leave out about 2 centimeters, but that I'll show you when I start cutting. And the hair is in a good condition, I can feel it. And this is the color we put in. It's from Glint Colors and it's conditioner. Okay, bending the head a little bit to the front. Starting with first line, take off about 1.5–2 centimeters. That's totally dry. Keep it as long as I can. Put the scissor on 130 degrees Celsius. And you never burn your fingers because the hair is a little bit wet. So that's why you never burn them. The second line on the same line. Put it straight down. It's almost the same as when you put on the collar. Every time you take about 1.5, 2 centimeters. Je hebt er eigenlijk bijna geen laken in, hè?
Nee, er mag veel meer laag in.
Dacht ik al, want het is een beetje
Want,
saai.
stapjes.
Ja.
Ja, ik heb het maar gewoon laten groeien.
Ja. Now it's still all based on one length, but we decided to get some layers in that do from the front, and of course we get a side shave. You see she's standing, so now bend her head to the front. Going to explain what I'm going to do. Go to the line of cutting. Take the hairs to the front. And knowing that all the hair on the back is the length she has. Now to get some layers in, I'll bend her a little bit more. I need to get into that line of cutting. So set the head a little bit to the side, make sure all the hairs are laying down. This line I already did. So what I do now is I go in the dry ends and work my way down to the line of cutting. Do this also on the other side. I'm sure I have the length. Better a little bit to the other side, otherwise I can reach the line of cutting. Lay the hairs to the front. And chop in a bit. And now I'm certain I have perfect layers because I used her skull as a base for the layers she has. So now I can make her a side shave. Part of the side shave, it's a small part, a side shave. We decided to where to go because we need to fall off the hair. When you go into the upper hair, the what's laying to the left side, then you get a problem because it will look like a toothbrush in 2-3 weeks because it's standing straight out. So always use a natural fall of the hair. When the hair goes down, you can do this. Now first I take this off and then I make it short for you. Say goodbye to your hair, my love. Goodbye, hair. You want to hold yourself? And I disconnect it?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, be aware of this. Scary. Now you have a disconnect.
Zie je wel een beetje het kleurtje.
Ja, dan zie je uitgroeit tenminste.
Ja.
Gooi het vol. Now I'm working on a natural color, otherwise it looks also a bit strange. The nice thing is working with a comb is that you can direct the hairs the way you want it. You have control over it. kastje. Keep the facial line. Make a nice strong side bit. Now I can dry your hair to see what the color did. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it looks sexy.
thanks.
And make you stronger. Okay, come on, blow dry the hair. Put on a shaper product of Lakme. It's a thickening product. I'll dry it with a large brush. Dan zie je pas hoe mooi de kleur is.
Ja. Nou wordt het echt een mooie roze.
Ja, dan krijg je echt wat stralen van die kleur. Dat maakt mijn haar ook mooi. Dus te hard is het niet mooi. For so far blow dry. On that I put a little bit of polish. Nice thing of polish is it smells ultra nice and it gives a wonderful glow to the hair. And a lovely structure. Het is een heel mooi product dit. This is a new hairstyle and color, and a thank you for modeling for me. And you, of course.
Thank you for hair.
My love, will you turn to show the world your new hairstyle? And color, of course. We'll show your hair a bit to the back so they can see the line of cutting. And then turn a bit. Okay, thank you very much. Hello, I'm your hairdresser.